You can insert diagrams created in VisualParadigm Desktop into OpenDocs to help you build clear and professional documents. To begin, open the drawer on the right side of your diagram and press the Send to OpenDocs Pipeline button. You may enter an optional comment before confirming with OK, and your diagram will be sent to the OpenDocs pipeline. Not all diagrams in VisualParadigm Desktop are automatically sent to the pipeline. Only diagrams that the user has manually triggered and sent at least once will begin generating revisions in the pipeline. After the initial send, every project commit for those diagrams will automatically create new revisions. For online-based diagrams, only the latest revision and any manually sent revisions will appear. Go to Tools, then select Apps to launch OpenDocs. When editing your document in OpenDocs, press Insert and choose Pipeline. Click on the artifact to insert the current or latest revision into the document, or click on the revision icon to select a specific revision to insert. Opening the pipeline panel will display all available artifacts and those associated with your document. If any artifact used in your document has been updated, an indicator will appear in the panel. Clicking it will show all available revisions alongside the one currently in use, allowing you to update the document with the revision you prefer. Please note that this feature is available only in the Professional Edition or above, and it works when your repository and project are both hosted in VisualParadigm Online.